Open any browser and search free job alert and click on free job alert. And now after opening free job alert, click on railway jobs and then click on Dfccil notification and get details, and then scroll below and now read the notification clearly before applying and check the post which you want to apply and the qualification. Now click on registration. Now click on the post applied and select the post which you want to apply for, and after selecting the post code will be automatically displayed. And next, candidate's name. Type the candidate's name as per your certificate. And now enter your mobile number and confirm your mobile number below. Now enter your email ID and confirm your email ID below, and enter the CAPTCHA shown up and submit your form. Your details will be saved. Now scroll above and close. Now you will be receiving an email ID. Now open your email ID that you have provided, and there containing of application ID and password will be sent to your email ID. Using that, again you have to log in. Now again open browser and type free job alert search box and click on railway jobs and open Dfccil get details. Scroll below and this time press on login. Now enter the login credentials sent to your email ID. Now after signing in, the details will be shown in the new tab which you have entered while registering. Now to continue the further process of filling the application, scroll above and click on Go to Application Form and read the important notes in the dialog box and close. Now start providing the details which are required. Now select the examination center whichever is nearer to you, and then select category which you belong to and the gender. And now enter your date of birth, and if you are physically handicapped then type as or else no, and then you are an ex-serviceman then type as or else no, and you are an employee of Dfccil, click as or else no. And now click on save and next. Now enter your father's name and mother's name and select your marital status and nationality, and now scroll down and enter your communication details. After entering your address details, if it's your permanent address then type as or else type no and provide your permanent address details, and now save and next after entering your details. Now coming to the education qualification, now you have to enter the details of the 10th standard, name of the board which that you have studied and year of passing, and the school name and the percentage you obtained. Now coming to your higher education details, scroll below and select your qualification name, that means engineering or diploma, whatever you have done, and the specialization in the stream, that may be civil, electrical and mechanical. And now select the year of passing and year of joining to, and the name of your college and the name of the board, and finally your percentage. And now add your work experience if you have any, or else click no and click on save and next. And now it's time to upload your documents. The documents required are your photograph, passport size photo, and your signature that you have to sign in a paper and upload it, and then your 10th mark card as a date of birth proof, and then your PDC of higher education qualification, whichever it may be, of diploma or engineering, and then your caste certificate. Now after uploading the documents whichever is required, now type the CAPTCHA and click on I agree and preview. Now it will show the details which you have entered, and check the details which you have entered are all correct, and press back and then click on submit. OK. Now click on I agree. Now it will take you to the payment. To make payment, you have to select any one of these. I have selected the State Bank debit card payment. Now click on confirm, and now again click on confirm. Now provide your card details and press on pay, and the OTP will be sent to your mobile, and enter your OTP there and click on make payment, and your payment will be done. Click on close your application. Yes, successfully completed. Now click on close and take the print of your application.